Ooh. Toot toot.
You turned the light on, Nathaniel.
Toot toot. Beep beep. Drivey drive.
Tractor. Turn it on. Beep beep.
What was that?
You turned the light on. Let's turn the light back off. You turn this one on now.
Does that excite you?
Look, we got a lever right here too. That's right. Work that. Better check your gauge. Boom, 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 boom.
Huh.
Oh. Look at this. Pull it. Turn the light on.
Nathaniel, do you have a tractor on your shirt? You got a tractor on your shirt.
Turn the light on. Boom, 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 boom. That's a red light, isn't it?
Whoa, what was that?
Beep, beep.
Beep beep.
I'm coming. Boom, 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 boom. That's a keychain. You sure know how to drive, don't you?
You like that as tractor?
Let's turn the light off, okay? Maybe turn this one on. Want to turn this one on? This one? Want to turn it on? Watch this. That's nothing. Pull it out. That's right. Want a light on? Okay.
Toot the horn. Can you go beep beep?
Beep, beep.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Turn the lights on for Dad, Mama. Make it go faster. Boom, 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 boom. Move this lever.